This is Venkat from Magna Majestic Meadows in Kollur, close to Telangana. So we just came back like a couple years ago from North America, and when we bought this villa at Magna Majestic, we were looking for some interiors. We were able to, because it's a big change for us coming back from United States to here. And when we were looking for something different, we like one of our interiors suggested like why don't we visit to SLIDO, where we went to the MADHAPUR Experience Center. It was great. Like as soon as we saw it, we didn't find any difference from overseas to here. It's almost exactly the same. And when we went there, it was a very pleasant experience where the professional people, like we just greeted us, and we went there. We saw like everything was great, organized. And we felt like, hey, this is the one. Like we didn't want to even try anything local or any other vendors. So as soon as we saw it, we just went there and we just signed it on the way. And also the SLIDO, you know, like the customer service, they call back us and they just take it and see like how we experienced and see like how the soft closures and everything was working. Everything was going as perfect, and it's almost like 1 year we are here. It's kind of close to warranty period. Right? We just want to see how it's working, and it's working great. And definitely we are very happy with the service what we got, and also after sales service and the way how the customer service interacts with us. It's all professional. Definitely recommend SLIDO to everybody. Don't hesitate, just go for it.